Kĩgomano kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera kĩrĩa kĩrĩgĩte kũhanĩka nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio mweri wa kenda kwa thikũ ithatũ kĩrũmanĩrĩrio mwaka mũhĩtũku gĩa gũtũnganĩria matua ma bata megemainie na ũcenjia wa rĩera mabũrũri-inĩ ma Afrika na thĩ yothe. Ĩndĩ kĩeha nĩ atĩ arĩa mahetwo wĩra wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ kĩgomano gĩkĩ nĩ gĩakinyanĩra ũũ wega matũire makayaga nĩ kwaga kũrĩhwo. Nĩ ũndũ wa kũgacĩrithia kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩrĩa gĩkinyĩtio nĩ anyiti itemi matanyihĩire 30,000, andũ matiganĩte nĩ mahetwo kandarathi nĩ thirikari cia gũtigĩrĩra mũcemanio ũyũ nĩ wagacĩra, no mĩeri 10 thutha ũyũ ene kandarathi acio matirĩ marĩhwo nĩ thirikari mũigana wa mirioni itanyihĩire 674, makiuga makaya mao makoretwo makĩgwĩra matũ matekũmaigua.
The total done by local contractors here is 674,643,300. As much as everything happened the way it happened, and we sought audience with defense, with different people, really to understand how are we going to be paid, but we never got that audience. On March the 12th is when we were instructed by some members of KDF to go for a meeting with China We. And I think for us at that point, it really did not matter who is going to pay us. We really just wanted to be paid.
Marauga marĩhĩtwo o gĩcunjĩ gĩa 17 harĩ igana kĩa mbeca ciao na mageria kũria ministry ũgendie marĩhe no ĩmahingĩire matũ.
Come March when we went to sign the contracts that we signed, which we don't have copies, were well indicated that the sum contract that we were paid, the 17%, is from the 3.19 billion, 3.2 billion. Hope I'm clear there.
That comes to 35% of the works. When we use the 1.9 billion as the total sum. The first question you asked about the scope. We all signed BQs which were detailing all the works. If it was the issues of cleaning, if it's the issues of air conditioning, if it was the issue of electrical, we do have, I think our chair will provide to the committee the detailed BQ of what sums up for.
Amwe ao maugĩte nĩguo kũgacĩrithia kĩgomano gĩkĩ marikarikire mĩhuko-inĩ yao oro hamwe na kuoya ngombo na mwĩhoko wao nĩ atĩ thirikari nĩ kũhingia ngirimiti ya kũmarĩha.
And we were assured in regular meetings, the meetings were held every day to be honest, around 10, and we were assured that our funds will be released around August. By the time we were in the middle of the event, construction, we will be given funds. You will need to know how we managed to actually raise resources to do this. Some of us went to banks, some of us have direct relationships with suppliers, and many other ways of getting funds.
We are not aware about it. The only way you'll be able to find out the intensity of the same or otherwise is when you're going to invite China We, so that we can, or when we get the original contract. And we have already written to the Minister of Defense so that they can either be able to give us the signed scope between themselves or the contract.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithĩra wa Nduati.